This is a 60 centimetre or 24-inch square piece of melamine, or just chipboard is fine. I've got a 1 metre piece of white fabric and an old blanket which is doubled up, a staple gun and a hammer just to bang in any stray staples. The blanket's been folded over in half and placed under the board. Also cut out the corners just to reduce any bulk. Bring the flaps around and make sure they're nice and firmly tight against the board. Now, holding the blanket fairly tight, just start stapling them into place. You could use tape for this, but I don't think it would stay very secure for long. And then just go all the way around until you're happy that your blanket or towel or whatever you've used is securely in place. Then just bash in any staples that aren't all the way in. Sometimes it's a bit hard to get into the board. Or if you just feel like hitting something. Then just lay out your covering fabric. Wrong side up, but with this one it doesn't really matter. And place the board on top. Then you just wrap it up like a Christmas present, folding over those corners neatly. We're just trying to avoid the bulk, but keep it nice and tight. It's a good idea to staple as you go, especially on a windy day like this. And just turn it round and repeat. You want to keep it nice and tight. And here we have our nice ironing pad or printing mat, ready to go. This is my current printing mat, and you can see it's starting to fill up with colour very nicely. It's great for ironing on, or for screen printing, or stamping, and I love the way it gets covered with paints over the months. And this is my last cloth. Isn't it lovely and lush? And you can see where the folded over bits were, and the original colour. So I hope you'll make your own little ironing pad / printing mat, and thanks for watching.